Hello, everybody. Welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. In case you are preparing for any competitive examinations, then you are at the right place. iExamBee provides you coaching in online mode for various examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Exam, RBA Grade B Legal Officer Exam, IBPS SO Law Officer, IBPS RRB Law Officer, various other examinations. सो इन सारे कोर्सेज के डेमो आप iExamBee के वेबसाइट पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं एक्टिवेट करके एंड कोई भी क्वेरीज हो यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस बाय राइटिंग अस एन ईमेल ऑन hello@iexambee.com or you can call us on the number 9205524028. In case of any queries, आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. We will try to reply you as soon as possible. Download our app from the Google Play Store and prepare 50% faster with us for job preparations. Very recently, I have started a series for 300 most important MCQs for the examination of SEBI Grade A Legal Officer. ये एग्जामिनेशन अभी पास ही में है एंड इसके लिए मैंने वीडियो सीरीज स्टार्ट की है जिसमें हम टोटल 300 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज कवर करने वाले हैं डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट से. वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. In the first video, I have covered 20 MCQs, and today I will be continuing with Constitution of India as it has a good weightage also, and the number of questions also can be expected more from this area. So आज के second video में हम लोग Constitution के MCQs continue करने वाले हैं. This is the second part. If you have missed the first part, then I would suggest you all to check it in the playlist of Legal Bee. Organization of village panchayats by state enables them to function as units of self-government, government, local municipalities, sarpanch. Organization of village panchayats, this is covered under which part of the constitution? First, you have to figure that out. It is very easy. It is covered under Directive Principles of State Policy, Article 40. That organizes village panchayats into units of self-government. Article 45 provides for dash of children below the age of 6 years. Now the age has been provided, but what it basically provides to the children below age of 6 years? Early childhood care and education, early kindergarten education, primary education and special care and education. अब यहाँ पे आपको वर्ड प्ले दिख रहा होगा. आप सबको पता है एजुकेशन है, बट एग्जैक्टली इसको किस तरीके से फ्रेम किया गया है उतना थरो नॉलेज होना जरूरी है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन. प्रोविजन फॉर अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन टू चिल्ड्रन बिलो द एज ऑफ 6 years, आर्टिकल 45. Protection of interests of minorities in India is guaranteed to all persons within the territory of India, and refugees included, only citizens of India, all citizens of India including refugees, IDPs, that is the internally displaced persons. So minority interest is protected, but how? It is applicable to whom? Answer is only citizens of India. Article 29 of the Constitution talks about this. Executive power of the Union shall vest in President, Prime Minister, President and Prime Minister, President, Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers, President, Governor, Prime Minister and other ministers. Correct answer is A, President. Article 53, executive power of the Union shall be vested in the President and shall be exercised by him either directly or through officers subordinate to him in accordance with the Constitution. ये भी phrase important है that it should be exercised in accordance with the Constitution. The President shall not be eligible for re-election, shall be eligible for re-election, shall be eligible for renomination, shall not be eligible for renomination, shall be eligible for vice president after tenure is completed. So the president, this is very important topic from Constitution. You can expect many questions from this area. Correct answer is B, shall be eligible for re-election. Article 57 directly talks about eligibility for re-election of the president. Council of Ministers shall aid and advise the President, Prime Minister, Cabinet and Prime Minister, Parliament. Council of Ministers are there to aid and advise whom? Correct answer is A, the President. Article 74 of the Constitution talks about this directly. No discussion shall take place in the Parliament with respect to the conduct of a judge of any court, Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Supreme Court, or a High Court. So, we cannot discuss on the conduct of the judges in the Parliament, that is true. But the judges of which court? Correct answer is Supreme Court or a High Court. Restriction on discussion in Parliament, Article 121 of the Constitution covers this, and they have specified over there with respect to the conduct of any judge of the Supreme Court or of a High Court. These small peculiarities you have to be aware of. Business in the Parliament shall be transacted in English, Hindi, English, or as decided in a particular session, Hindi, or as per convenience, Hindi or English. This language related always we get confused. Correct answer is E, Hindi or English. Article 120 of the Constitution, language to be used in the Parliament. This is subjected to 348 of the Constitution. Business in Parliament shall be transacted in Hindi or in English. Article 348 भी पढ़ लीजिएगा. Which of the following is not a qualification to become a Supreme Court judge? Be very careful of such kind of questions where they ask you not. They are asking you not a qualification. Practicing as advocate of High Court for 10 years at least, as High Court judge for at least 5 years, distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President, worked as a district judge for at least 10 years, none of the above. So, which of the following is not a qualification? Correct answer is D. Worked as a district judge for at least 10 years. ऐसा कोई भी क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज बनने के लिए. You have to practice as an advocate for High Court at least 10 years or High Court judge for at least 5 years. Article 124 clause 3 provides for these qualifications. And yes, he should be a citizen of India, be distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. What is or are the grounds of removal of Supreme Court judge? Misbehavior, inefficiency, proved misbehavior and incapacity, less experience, mishandling of cases. Be very careful with the options. What they have asked, grounds of removal of Supreme Court judge. Be very careful, and if you know the answer, then you will answer it very quickly. If you don't know, then you may get confused by looking at the options. Correct answer is C, proved misbehavior and incapacity. ये भी डायरेक्टली पिक किया गया है आर्टिकल 124 क्लॉज 4 में से. Judge of the Supreme Court shall not be removed from his office except by an order of the President passed after an address by each house of the Parliament, support by majority of total membership. ये majorities related भी आपको पूछा जा सकता है, that what is the procedure and what are the grounds for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Speaker of Lok Sabha is chosen from the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha itself, National Capital Territory, Legislative Assembly of any state, Legislative Council of any state. So the Speaker of the local Lok Sabha is chosen from whom? We all know that Lok Sabha is presided by the Speaker. But how is he chosen? What is the procedure? Answer is B, Lok Sabha itself. Article 93 talks about this. Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of People shall as soon as may be choose 2 members of the House to be respectively Speaker and Deputy Speaker thereof, and so often as the office of Speaker or Deputy Speaker becomes vacant, the House shall choose another member to be Speaker or Deputy Speaker as the case may be. Every member of Parliament shall take oath and affirmation before President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, Speaker and Chairman respectively as per the membership of respective houses, President and the Speaker. So every member of the Parliament shall take oath and affirmation, but before whom? I always tell the students appointments, removals, oath, affirmation, ये सारी चीजें इस पार्ट 5 और 6 से आपको करना जरूरी है. दैट प्रेसिडेंट कौन से अपॉइंटमेंट करता है प्रेसिडेंट, कौन से अपॉइंटमेंट्स प्रेसिडेंट नहीं करता, कौन प्रेसिडेंट किसके सामने ओथ लेता है, ये सब सिंपल चीजें हैं जो हमें पता होनी चाहिए. सेम हैज बीन आस्क्ड ओवर हियर रिलेटिंग टू एवरी मेंबर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट. आंसर इज वेरी इजी, प्रेसिडेंट. Article 99 talks about this, oath or affirmation by the members. They shall take that before the president. Even the appointments are made by the president only. It is covered in the third schedule. थर्ड शेड्यूल में सारे फॉर्मेट्स दिए हैं ओथ एंड इंफॉर्मेशन के. Bill may originate in any house of the parliament except money bill, no bill, money bill or other financial bills, none of the above. So क्या ऐसा कोई बिल है जो in any house of parliament originate नहीं हो सकता? The question is like this. In general, the bill may originate in any house of parliament except, correct answer is C, money bill or other financial bills. ये दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस भी आपको पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. गो थ्रू ऑल दीज कॉन्सेप्ट्स वेरी नाइसली. Provisions as to introduction and passing of bills, Article 107 talks about this. Money bills and financial bills के अलावा a bill can originate in any house of parliament. Money bills shall not be introduced in Council of States, Lok Sabha, Legislative Assemblies, Parliament, Cabinet. We have this specific statement that money bills shall not be introduced in. This is also directly picked from Article 109, which covers the special procedure in respect of money bills. A money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of States. Every High Court under Article 227 has the power of superintendence over all courts within its territory, all courts and tribunals within its territory, all courts of subordinate judiciary, all courts of subordinate judiciary in India and all the tribunals, all courts of subordinate judiciary in India and all tribunals within its territory. So every High Court under Article 227 has the power of superintendence. But over whom? Correct answer is B, all courts and tribunals within its territory. Article 226, 227 of the Constitution, these are very, very important areas from the High Court jurisdiction point of view. Which schedule of the Constitution provides for subject matters provided in different lists determining the power to legislative parliament and state legislatures? Very, very easy this is. Options भी आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is of course the 7th schedule providing for the 3 lists, union, state and concurrent list. Finance Commission is established as per which article of the Indian Constitution? Finance Commission is very important. इससे related थोड़ा आप current affair भी पढ़ के जा सकते हैं. And the Constitution article is 280 Finance Commission. ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा misprint हो गया. 280 correct answer है. President shall within 2 years from the commencement of the Constitution and thereafter at the expiration of every 5th year at such earlier time as the president considers necessary. कभी कभी tenure भी पूछा जाता है 5 years. Then president shall do that. ये भी पूछा जा सकता है आपको. Constitution पूछा जा सकता है. Finance Commission comprises of whom? Chairman and 4 other members to be appointed by the president. ये आर्टिकल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन यहाँ पे ई होना चाहिए. Full faith and credit shall be given throughout the territory of India to public acts of union, public acts and records of union, public acts, records, judicial proceedings of union and of every state, public acts and judicial recordings of union, public acts and judicial proceedings of union and states. वैसे तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है, लेकिन जो ऑप्शंस है वो काफी ज्यादा नियर अबाउट है एंड इनको ऐसे चेंज कर दिया गया है एक एक वर्ड. तो इसलिए हमें कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज के बारे में थरोली पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट एग्जैक्ट क्या वर्डिंग्स है, कभी कभी वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. फुल फेथ एंड क्रेडिट शैल बी गिवन थ्रू आउट द टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया टू. आंसर इज सी, public records, public acts, records and judicial proceedings of union and of every state. Everything we are giving full faith and credit. The article that is covering it, that is Article 261 of the Indian Constitution. Minorities have the right to establish educational institutions based on religion, based on language, based on religion or language. Also have the right to administer educational institutions of their choice. Both C and D are correct. Now, minorities have the right, but on what basis do they have this right? Language, religion or language both, and administer educational institutions of their choice also, or not administer educational institutions of their choice. The correct answer is E, because we have 2 articles governing this, 29 and 30 of the Indian Constitution. Language-based minority can be there, religion-based minority can also be there, and they have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice as well. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Very, very easy question, but sometimes we get confused in this as well. Lok Sabha, President, Parliament, citizens of India, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया। अब हमें यहाँ पे लग सकता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट नहीं होते, इलेक्ट होते हैं, सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया इलेक्ट करते हैं। But that is how we have to be very clear with the concepts and the wordings used. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Actually, तो Prime Minister appoint ही होता है, election तो party का होता है, leader of that party is finally appointed by the President. Union Cabinet headed by Prime Minister is appointed by the President of India to assist the latter in the administration of affairs of the executive. Union Cabinet is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. लोकसभा कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज हैं. So 75 of the Indian Constitution is relevant over here. Article 75, 74. Go through all these things and I would wish everyone best luck for your preparation. I hope these questions are helping you out a lot. Practice these questions. कहीं पे भी query हो आप हमें वीडियो में comments में लिख सकते हैं. We will reply you as soon as possible. Or you can also reach out by any of the following methods. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out the full course access available even in the offline mode on our app. Thank you, everybody.